Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Being an engineer, if you are having a dream to work at SAIL, then you should not miss to watch this video up to the last. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you complete details about the SAIL, how you can apply, what is the eligibility criteria, minimum marks required, okay, what is the pay scale, each and everything. Let's check it out. So dear students, first of all, SAIL stands for the Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL. And we know in India we are having 7 Maharatnas. Among those 7 Maharatnas, SAIL is one of them. So SAIL is a central public sector undertaking PSU based in New Delhi, India. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Steel, Government of India, with an annual turnover of around 13 billion US dollar, okay, for the last year 22-23. It is the largest government owned steel producer. First of all, this is the introduction of SAIL. Now if you are willing to work here, then what is the selection process, how you can get a job at the SAIL? So first of all, the selection process is based on the GATE exam. First, they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE marks. Then they will call you for the group discussion and personal interview. Then will be the final selection made. Okay. Now, other than this, maybe sometime they can have their own written test also. But in this one, again, including the group discussion and the personal interview. Now, if I'm talking about here, what is the minimum marks required in your engineering? So candidate should have BE BTech with the minimum 65% marks. If you are having these branches, means mechanical, civil, EE, EC, IN, CS, chemical or metallurgy, then yes, you are eligible for applying at the SAIL. Other than this, the pay scale starts from the 16 to 70 lakh per annum for the post of management trainee technical. As recently we can see, we are having one recruitment, as I already covered on our YouTube channel also, ki SAIL is going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2024 scorecard for the post of management trainee, and all these 8 branches are eligible in this case. So for that, the pay scale is between 16 to 17 lakh per annum. In terms of the age limit, it is minimum age limit, or if I will talk about who can apply for the unreserved categories, for the general categories, the age limit is 28 year. Yes, they are having some relaxation, or they are having some other terms and condition for the age relaxation also, so that you can check it out. Now, if I'm talking about the selection process, so selection process, as I told you, based on the GATE scorecard. So first they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE 2024 score. Then they will call you for the group discussion and personal interview. But what is the important thing here, that first when they will call you for the group discussion and personal interview, so the weightage will be 75 is to 10 is to 15, means a 75% weightage will be given to the GATE scorecard, okay, plus 10% weightage will be given for the group discussion, and 15% weightage will be given for the we can say your personal interview. So like this, they are having total weightage criteria. If I will talk about group discussion and personal interview, so we can see here on the basis of score or marks in the GATE 2024 paper, candidates will be shortlisted for the group discussion or interview in the ratio of 1:12 for each discipline. Now, one thing surely arise in your mind, ki ma'am, what is the minimum marks required for shortlisting here? So first of all, if I'm talking about last 2-3 years, so it depends on the branches also, and it depends on the category also. But for the general, I can say overall, okay, I can say minimum marks required 55 or 60 marks out of the 100. If you are having for this year means 2024, then maybe you are eligible. They can call you for the group discussion and personal interview. As we know that the final selection will be based on these 3 things: group discussion, GATE scorecard, group discussion and personal interview. And then the total out of the 100, they will give you the marks, and then they will shortlist you for the final selection. Okay, and here you can say this is 1:12. So maybe this year they will call 50 plus. If a student is from the general category and you are having 50 or 55 plus marks out of the 100, then maybe they can call you directly for the group discussion or personal interview. So in this case, you should apply, dear students. Okay, so here it is mentioned, more details also mentioned here, you can just check it out. But one very important thing is here, to be eligible for the group discussion or interview call, a candidate will have to qualify in the respective discipline by scoring minimum 50 percentile score, as I already told you, for the unreserved. Okay, post and 40 percentile score for the SC, ST, OBC, PWD in the respective category. So that's why I told you. So this is the basic criteria. And here, if we talk about the pay scale, so yes, they are having very good pay scale, which is including all the HRA, DA, perks, allowances. So let's check it out. So for the management trainee, technical will be offered basic pay of rupees 50,000 per month in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. They will give you first of all the 1 year training period. So in the training period, you will be posted as a management trainee MT technical only. After successful completion of your 1 year training period, you will get the post of assistant manager. So yes, it's not that you will get this as a final designation. No, after 1 year training period, they will give you the post of assistant manager, my dear students, and placed in the scale pay of 60,000 to 1,80,000. If I will include all the perks, HRADA, you can see you will get the dearance allowances also. Okay, you will get the gratuity, other allowances are also applicable here. Cafeteria approach is also there. Okay, company provides benefits like leave encashment, housing, HRA, and free medical facilities. So overall, approximately we can say the CTC will be 16 to 17 lakh per annum approximately. Okay, and at the minimum of E1 grade. So this is the E1 grade, and as I already told you, this is the pay scale 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. So this is a very good, surely a very good thing. So this year, if you guys already had good score around 55, okay, good marks out of the 100, around 55, then you should apply for the SAIL India. As right now the recruitment is already open, online applications are open, you can apply before the 25th of the July. Now, if you are preparing for the upcoming GATE exam, GATE 25 or 26, then also you should have this in your mind ki minimum 60 marks out of the 100 you need to secure for calling these type of PSUs. Dear students, and if still you guys not join our I Must GATE Academy Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group. All the upcoming notification, videos, webinar, seminar information you will get. Daily quizzes will be available at our Telegram group. So you can join. Link is already mentioned in the description box. When you will join, you will get lots of the benefits there. And if you are preparing for GATE 2025 and 2026, dear students, then you can join our live online program, which is having lots of the feature, including 800 plus hours of the live online classes with the interaction. We will provide you theory book and exercise books, which is having minimum 4,000 questions for the practice, because practice is very, very important here. So we will give you last 33 year plus GATE question bank also with the video solution. Lots of the benefits you will get here. For more details, you can directly book the free counseling session with our student advisory team. Link is mentioned in the description box. Surely it will help you. And if you are looking for the test series plus course, so yes, we are having one special feature, test series plus. When you will join, you will get not only the test series. Here you can see you will get not only the test series, means the full length mock test. Other than this, you will get the PYQ book also, previous year GATE question, which is having last 33 year, minimum 33 or 34 year GATE questions. So you will get lots of the benefits. The cost of the test series plus program is 3,299. If you will enroll only for the test series, which is not including our books, so the price is 1,770. So you should prefer the test series plus program over the test series. It will give you lots of the benefits, dear students. Okay, so in this video I covered all the details about the SAIL, and surely in the future I will cover more PSUs. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Still, if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.